lines on the side of the road. You can even see the back tire. That's on my right hand side. And today we're going to be reviewing another product from Aliexpress. This is the package that it came in. I did the honors of splitting the package or opening it before, so I don't have to go through that again. So I bought this for my car. What I can see, the packaging was not that great. That's the one thing I would say about it so far. It just came in this. Nothing too great to stop it from getting squished or squashed. That's all it came in. So that's one thing. So this is Bezos. I'm not sure what's the name of this company. I bought from this company already in the past. I did some other review with products that I bought from this company, and it's a full vision blind spot mirror for car backing up basically, or blind spot. So you can see this is how it shows it. It says it's waterproof surface. Let me see if I can. Okay, it's 360 rotation, and uninstall stick comes with it also. Okay, let's open it, see how it looks. So you can see what it looks like here. This is the covering. It's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory, nothing too difficult, nothing too hard. I guess this is the uninstall stick that they're talking about. Just basically stick it behind and pry it up if you want to open it or take it back off. It came with sticker, that's the stick on the glass, and another extra piece. So I guess this is in case you mess up in the beginning. And this is how it looks. So far pretty good. I like how it looks. Nothing too complicated, pretty simple. It has the rotational back, so when you stick it on the car, you just adjust it, push up or you push down basically. Alright, okay. It's two pieces that came in the box. Same here. Okay, and the only other thing to do is to see how it fits on the car. Okay, I'll take some photos to show you guys how it looks, and we go from there. So okay guys, I'm here with the install. I skipped straight to the install. As you can see, it's very easy to see. It works pretty good. You can see the lines on the side of the road. You can even see the back tire. That's on my right hand side, and here on the left hand side you can see the tires also, and that's with the mirror being straight. So very nice, no problems at all. It was like 3 minutes to install, so I'm very happy with it, and it shows pretty clear. So that's the end of the review. It was a pretty good product. I think shipping it was like not sure, I'll put it up here for you all. I think it was like $3 to my country. The price of the product itself was around $4, so works pretty good.